Tonight, new at 11. Also for you right now on the answer desk at 6. Will Omicron impact your holiday plans? Connecticut confirmed its first case of the variant over the weekend. It's all happening as COVID cases rise, and our positivity rate remains close to 6%. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino asked the experts whether people should consider changing their plans. Mike, what did they have to say?
Well, Mark, luckily for me, I don't have to be a Grinch this year, and that's because we're at a better place than we were last year with cases down and, more importantly, with fewer patients here at St. Francis and at other hospitals around the state. But doctors still warned that we do have to be careful.
I would expect this to continue to rise throughout December and into January.
We're seeing COVID cases rise once again as we enter the holiday season, and now hospitals say hospitalizations are also shooting up. Are Thanksgiving and other early holiday gatherings causing COVID to spread?
I think it's contributing, but the numbers started rising before Thanksgiving.
Now, the Omicron variant is here. Researchers finding their first sample of it here in Connecticut over the weekend. The new variant was discovered in late November, but what do we know about it?
It seems the Omicron variant is about 10 times more transmissible than the Delta variant.
So what does all of this mean for holiday gatherings?
So the masking, the staying 6 feet apart, the being careful while we travel or in enclosed spaces with a lot of people where you may not even know their vaccination status.
Doctors say it's safe to continue gathering with family and friends as long as you're following public health guidelines. This includes getting vaccinated. But do we know if the vaccine is effective against Omicron?
I think we're going to find, and this is going out on a limb, that the vaccines are going to hold up somewhat towards Omicron.
Doctors say the vaccine may not be as effective at keeping Omicron out, but it can still help your immune system fighting after infection. What is Lamont's plan as cases go up?
But you got to know that the boosters and the vaccines are keeping you out of the hospital and are keeping you out of the morgue.
Now, Delta still far and away remains the dominant strain here in Connecticut, but doctors think that based on what we've seen with how quickly Omicron is spreading, that could become the most common strain here within a few months. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you. Right now, we do want to hear from you at home. Are you thinking about changing your holiday plans because of everything that's going on right now? This has been pretty consistent throughout the night. You can vote now in our unscientific poll using the Channel 3 app or WFSB.com/vote now. But overwhelmingly, 74% of you so far saying no, you are not changing any plans.